guys? Welcome back to our channel. I am Adam.
Jazz.
And I'm Frankie.
And we're back here. I forgot. We're back here at the Disneyland Resort, and we're gonna do some pin trading today. Frankie brought his new emo, so he's gonna show him off.
Oh yeah.
Fitted. Today is gonna be the 6th.
There's a discrepancy. He says the first one didn't count, and even though I won that one, so technically I already won best of 7, but fine.
That was a test run.
He said it was a test run.
She's up 3-2. I'll give her that
It's
one.
really 4-2.
It's 3-2. So this would be game 6. So hopefully I win. What else? Pretty much it, right? We're just gonna
Do Frontierland, do the boards, and eat something.
pretty much it for now. Hopefully we get on some rides. I want to go to Radiator Springs later, so.
If anyone's new here, I feel like I've never introduced him, maybe. I don't know. His name's Frankie. If you're new to the channel, he's my brother. He's 13. He's on summer break right now, so.
Cool guys. Okay, here are the 2 new boxes that came out. Monsters University one has all the monsters in there.
Character.
And then here's the Wally one. It's like it assembles to a boot.
Yeah.
It's pretty cool. They are both. This one's $24.99, and so is that one. So pretty cool pins. Personally, I would get this one over that one. Maybe we'll get one later. You have any trivia pins?
I do.
Okay, I'll try some trivia.
Okay. Can you name 5 Disney cats from different movies?
Can I take this one? Cheshire, or different movies?
Different
Okay,
movies.
Cheshire, Oliver, Figaro, Lucifer, and don't help me. I collect cat pins, so I'm like, one more board. Oh, Marie.
Perfect. It's actually going to be Lucifer.
You want to do that one?
Sure.
Yeah, we'll do that one.
You have one.
Yeah. And
Good job. You're the only one that has done it that fast.
hello.
Hi.
Oh, here's a good one. Except I don't fully know the answer to that one. Never mind. Yeah, let's just do this one just for giggles. So, in Beauty and the Beast, how many eggs does Gaston eat for breakfast a day? There are 2 possible answers. I'll take either one.
I thought it was 6 dozen or something crazy.
What?
6 dozen?
No. Is it?
I can't remember.
Is it 4 dozen?
4. So, when I was a lad, I ate 4 dozen eggs every morning to help me get large. But now since I'm grown, I ate 5 dozen eggs from the little size of a boy. That's why I took you. Alright, which one do you want to trade for?
Nothing here. Nothing so far. Nothing. Alright, we just scored the dark chocolate covered pineapple. It's pretty huge. Never had this, but it looks really good.
This might not be a nice bite, but I'm gonna go for it. Okay, alright. Ten.
10 out of 10?
Whatever.
I'm gonna try it.
See it.
It's a little messy, right? Or no?
A little bit.
I'll try it.
Yeah, if it goes, it goes.
I told you.
It's good. You gotta angle it though.
Yeah.
But it's good. The chocolate's really good.
Dang, 2 bites.
Yeah.
I think it's perfect. Like, the dark chocolate works really well with the pineapple.
All right, shout out to Valerie, Anthony, and family for donating this popcorn to us.
Zappy.
Zappy. There you go. Us and We
Disney.
Disney.
Thanks for trading with
Thank
us,
you.
by the way. They set up with us in front.
Yeah, you guys are awesome. So thank you for this again. We really appreciate it. So we're at Frontierland for like the past 2.5 hours or so, and it was really dead.
Really dead
so
today.
super slow, which is really weird on a Thursday.
No, but
so
I'm thinking because it closes at 8 today, so that's
but
why.
just be aware, if you do come like not regularly and you're expecting like a bunch of people out here, it doesn't always happen
Not
that way.
always,
So it's really slow today, like I said. But we had a good time still. We were just hanging out with We Disney. Shout out to you guys again. And once again, thank you to Anthony and Valerie and family.
Yeah, thank you for bringing us a popper. That was so neat. You didn't have to do that, but that was so nice.
Yeah, you guys are awesome. So
Now
we're gonna go to Hungry Bear and eat more. So but that was the little snack before the meal.
So we're at Hungry Bear, and I got the potato and cheddar cheeseburger with onion rings.
I got the same thing,
Same
but I got
thing,
fries.
Fries, and then Frankie got a regular cheeseburger. And this I'm really excited to try too. It's the berry lemonade. Looks super good.
You guys gotta look at this burger. It has like the sauce all over it.
It has like a cheddar sauce and
Like a
hash browns.
It's like a cheddar. I don't know. It has like a spice
Green
to
chili
it.
cheddar sauce.
He's a growing boy. He got the hot chocolate and the churro right after he ate. I literally just finished eating. So. He's a growing boy. What can I say?
When Frankie was little, he used to love these golden corns.
Nope. I was hoping that Eeyore was real, but is it a launch one? Oh, it's an older pin?
Old pin. It's an older
I'll
one.
take it.
We can trade. You can trade, right?
For this one, you cannot trade from this one because it has to be the same matching set.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, but you could trade for it on
The past few days that I've been walking around Disneyland, like lately, I've been hearing the Up theme song. Like the little, like, you know, you guys know the song. But anyways, I was just telling Jasmine the other day, like, this song is like so iconic at this point. It's like a true like Disney song. So I'm just like, I was wondering, I was like, what were they playing before this? Like,
I don't remember.
I don't know. I was like, I can't even imagine like.
This tune is like constantly on.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like, I cannot imagine like a Disneyland without that song. So I don't know. So we're gonna go to Tomorrowland and try to get a pin box. We were gonna get them at the different stores, but like we wanted to.
Trade for like the same pin in the box, but they didn't have any of the boxes. So.
Yeah, so hopefully they have the boxes over here. Tomorrowland, and we can just get them, just in case we don't like them and stuff. You know what I mean? Here are the current options, just in case we don't like them.
Perfect.
For that one. And this box was brought to you by Aaron Ramirez. Shout out to you for donating to our Buy Me a Coffee. Thank you for the generous donation. We're gonna hopefully get a good one, and if not, it's okay. We can swap it out. But you know, I always want like either Mike, Randall, or Sully. I think those would be great. But thank you again so much. I really appreciate the support.
Thank you so much.
Oh, you can Venmo me because I'm using my. This is Venmo, okay?
Yeah, they do work with the web.
Oh, okay. Okay. Oh yeah, no, Venmo. Okay.
It's been a while,
I
Jay.
know. First one.
Okay, that's the current price.
Don't know his name.
I said either Sully, Randall, or Mike.
I don't know her name either.
I don't know.
Okay, do you want to trade one of these?
I'd rather trade the
Trade's optional. You don't have to trade if you don't want to.
Yeah.
If you literally like it. Oh, so I got the when I was cleaning up the purple.
How do we get one that's locked up? Where'd you go? She was hiding behind me. But yeah, we're hitting a DCA right now.
Probably for like an hour.
2 hours. I want an ice cream. What about you?
Right now I'm full, but we'll see.
I'll take one.
Pretty good ones on there.
Thank you.
Or the bird.
The bird?
I have it, right?
Yeah.
Well, you pick 2 boxes.
Okay. I'll let you pick one.
Either.
Oh, no.
Off to a great start. Right? The star is that teddy bear right there.
All right, I'm going to do one more.
Yeah, I want that, but you have to trade for that.
I'm aware.
Yeah?
I'm with it. I'm all in. I'm all in.
All in right now.
I'll do this one. Okay. That's a horrible pin, but it's okay.
If you guys would like to try the trivia, I can do that.
Yeah, I'll try it too.
You want to try it?
Yeah,
I'll give you a different question from this.
Okay.
definitely.
What is the only Disney villain that you do not see or hear them speak?
I know this. It's in Bambi, the hunter, but I don't know the name.
That's the name.
Oh, the hunter? Okay.
Whoa, it looks like they redesigned this board over here. It says trivia, has the rules. These are the easy ones, and these are the hard ones. I'm assuming we have to wait for cast members or something.
I think we have to wait for a cast.
I would want that one. This Donald, it's a Loungefly pin. The D pins are not bad as well.
I'll take all of these.
The completer broom.
But for easy or hard, but it's up to you.
I want to do hard.
Yeah, it's gonna be hard.
Okay.
All right, ready?
We put this one down. Go ahead.
What year did Muppet Vision close?
Oh no. He's a Muppets fan and he's never got to watch it, so it was before he moved.
Yeah, I wasn't even here yet, so this is clearly before 2015.
I think, or maybe no, but you just didn't come here. I'm gonna say 2014.
2014?
Yeah, am I right?
Yeah,
oh my
you're
god,
right.
I was gonna say it was right before you moved.
It was.
Okay.
Which one? You get to choose from whichever one.
Do you want
Whichever one you want. There's that Haunted Mansion one.
Yeah.
There's Sadness.
the completer hidden Mickey?
No, I don't want that.
Okay.
The D, the Donald. Sadness isn't too bad.
If you want the Donald one, you can get the Donald. You want
Yeah,
the Donald?
yeah,
We'll do
let's just-
that Donald one.
I don't see anything. Do you guys have any trivia pins or no? Oh, you do? I'll try it.
Alright. Who say? Fish are friends. No.
You said who says it? Bruce. Yeah.
There you go.
You want any of these? No. Okay. I'm gonna pass on these. I'll take that one. Yeah.
You have to trip for a little one too.
Yeah, that's fine. Alright guys, so here's our new emos for today. I ended up probably getting my ass whooped in this one.
Yeah, Marie's winning by a landslide right now.
It's honestly the shoes.
No.
The reason why she's winning, but
No.
it's okay. Because you know, I thought I don't know.
He changed Kermit like 7 times today.
I just thought like maybe I wasn't ready to like bust out the best fit, and I just thought maybe this one would be okay. But Jasmine's also holding back her best fit, so.
No, I'm not. I had one just in case, but I don't need it anymore.
Oh, just for now. We will continue these eventually, but for now,
We spent too much money on outfits, so I'm gonna give it a rest for a little bit.
just for a little bit. But they're still gonna be in the video. It's just not competing so much anymore.
He's
But
scared.
yeah, thank you for following us on Instagram,
No,
guys.
also there's not any other outfits anymore.
Yeah,
Like,
to
we
be honest,
ordered
like
some
over
new
there
ones, so-
at yeah, they haven't really restocked many new outfits, or I don't really want to buy them online, but
Maybe when they get new ones, we're
Yeah.
back in this.
yeah, I mean honestly, like this jacket is pretty fresh.
I don't think it goes.
It's just not going with this outfit, and you know I apologize to my guy Kermit, but
You didn't.
I thought I had a better showing. It looked better earlier, but
It looked
you know.
the same.
You look better earlier. All right, so here's the full squad: Oswald, Kermit, and Marie. Besties forever. Oswald is like deceptively tall.
Yeah, he is.
I don't know why, but he's.
Check out those sandals.
Yeah, this guy's in vacation mode or something.
Frankie cut the hat to make his ears fit.
Yeah, he was like,
He
was like, should I do it? I was like, I mean, I guess, yeah. And it actually worked out for the best. So I don't want him. I honestly, I don't think Frankie should cut out his ears on every single outfit, but
Hat.
every hat. But we'll see. We'll see what he has to do, because this guy's a madman, because he actually just wanted to cut off the vest.
He's gonna cut out the shirt.
So I don't know, maybe he will still, who knows, but let us know what you think of his slides. Jasmine's crazy.
No, I said take a picture real quick.
So yeah, this is basically the look that Jasmine was going for, and I took a couple pictures. Ridiculous. Big fan, Mickey. Big fan, Mickey. All right. Hi, Mickey. Alright, guys, so these are the pins that we ended up finding on the boards. Most of these were trivia. Pretty cool finds, though, honestly. I really like this owl one. It's a lounge flag. This Wally pin is pretty cool, too.
Just came out.
I don't think I'm going to collect the whole set, but it's a good start for a trivia pin. And, yeah, that's pretty much it. The Donald one was a cool surprise at the board from the PhilharMagic. So if you guys get a chance to do one, I suggest you try a hard pin. They have better pins. And yeah, let us know what you guys think. What's your favorite one? All right, guys, so these are the pins that we ended up trading for at Frontierland. Not a bad haul, I think. The best one, in my opinion, that Jasmine ended up trading for was the Bagheera name tag.
Yeah, it's really cute.
And then right here, I also like this Big Thunder one. That one's funny because I like how it comes with the goat and the dynamite stick. And right here is from the Buy Me a Coffees. We ended up trading for the one at Tomorrowland, and got the Mulan. So that was a pretty nice assortment of trade. Yeah, whatever. But yeah, guys, let us know what you think. What's your favorite one? So that's it. Another trip of the books. Had a pretty good time today at Disneyland.
We were here a while.
We were here for a long
8
time.
hours.
But to be fair, we were at Frontierland for like 2.5 hours. Like I said earlier, it was dead as hell. Didn't really come out with much, but what we did come out with is not too bad. But yeah, other than that, we bought the mystery box. So shout out to you, Aaron Ramirez. Thank you so. Oh, sorry. Thank you so much for contributing to our Buy Me a Coffee. We really appreciate it. It's fun opening mystery boxes. We haven't done it in a while, to be honest. It's just because, like, besides the Marvel ones, those are really the only ones that I've wanted, like, the past few months, I guess.
And then it's Monsters Inc. one, we got to keep one and then get a Mulan one, so that was cool.
And
fireworks about to start.
Fireworks about to start, yeah. But yeah, guys, so we're pretty close to a 3K.
I
so
think right
please
now we're about 100 away.
Please do subscribe if you aren't already. 3K will unlock a fun video that you guys have been asking for a while. So
help us get there.
Help us get there. Tell a friend or foe, preferably a foe, and let's get this train moving, guys. And if you aren't already, follow us on Instagram at Adam Crispins with the Z. Jasmine probably won this one. Yeah. I don't see myself catching up.
Miracle.
Yeah, I don't see myself catching up to this one, but it's okay. When I come back, I'm gonna come back harder and stronger with the fits. But yeah, guys, if you enjoyed that video, please do leave a like, comment, and or subscribe. I'm out. Jasmine's out. Frankie's here. And see you guys next time. Bye.